When it comes to equipping your PC case with the best PC case fans available, choosing the right ones can be a tricky little process. There are tons of different case fans to choose from, all of which come to the table offering a variety of sizes, noise levels, and airflow. Getting proper case fan is important, especially if you have high-end hardware like large GPUs and powerful CPUs, which tend to produce more heat, and if not cooled properly, your PC can increase the ambient temperature of your room and stop working efficiently. So if you're looking for the best case fans out there, then don't worry, as we have you covered with a list of best case fans that are currently available on the market. Integrating seamlessly into the Hue 2 ecosystem, the AER RGB2 fans deliver optimal airflow and advanced lighting customizations. Each AER RGB features a winglet tip fan blade design producing optimal airflow while keeping the fans as quiet as possible. The fluid dynamic bearings in every fan provide long-lasting, near-silent operation. The 120mm PWM fans is optimized with cooling and whisper low 22 decibel capabilities with a fluid dynamic bearing engineered to last over 6 years. You can get up to 1500 RPM fan speed and up to 52.44 CFM airflow with AER 120mm fans. With individually addressable LEDs, the AER RGB2 fans provide dramatic lighting effects to complement your system, and they sync perfectly with the rest of your Hue 2 accessories. Using the intuitive CAM software, you'll choose from preset and custom modes and synchronize the AER RGB2 fans with other Hue 2 accessories to create the perfect lighting for your PC. If you want cool and quiet airflow wrapped up in a gloriously lit aesthetic, then the NZXT AER RGB2 is a right choice for you. Arctic BioniX F140 is known as a 140mm gaming fan for use in gaming cases. This is a fancy looking fan, comes in many colors. The fan comes with fluid dynamic bearing and uses 3-phase motor for lower temperatures and longer lifespan. The fan uses a 4-pin PWM connector and rotates at speed in the range of 200 to 1800 RPM. The fan generates 104 CFM of airflow and is pretty quiet with a noise level rating of 0.67 or 25.3 decibel. With a wide range of regulation and the PWM share technology, the BioniX F140 fan speed can be controlled synchronously with all your other fans together and thus keep the noise at a minimum level while in maximum cooling. The frame of the fan is built from silicone-like material which absorbs vibrations and thus keeps the noise to the minimum. It can be used as both intake and exhaust fan in your PC case. So if you're looking for a high airflow fan that looks nice, performs well and costs less, then just go for it. Thermaltake Riing Trio RGB series fans are the most premium fans among all the Thermaltake fans. The Thermaltake Riing Trio 12 RGB is the world's first intelligent radiator fan with 3 independent 16.8 million colors LED rings design featuring 30 addressable LEDs in total. Set lights easier and faster by talking to TT RGB Plus app and Amazon Alexa. Ask it to turn the lights on or off, switch lights modes, dim the lights, change light colors, or adjust lights or fan speeds. With the software, you can set the fans to silent mode where the RPM performs between a 500 and 1500 RPM range, or performance mode which operates and dynamically adjusts all the way up to 1500 RPM. The hydraulic bearing self-lubricates with a high-quality, friction-reducing substance which lowers operation noise while improving thermal efficiency. If your aim is to add some RGB bling to your case, the Thermaltake Riing Trio 12 RGB is a good option for you because its performance is so good but lighting is epic. Noctua has presented the market with their own case fans via the NF-F12 PWM cooling fan. The product has a unique design that has been made to achieve the perfect balance between performance and sound level. There are anti-vibration silicone-made pads installed on the fan. These pads ensure less vibration and protect the fan from damage. The fan can get a speed of 1500 RPM and maximum airflow of 55 CFM and with 22.4 decibel noise level, which is quite impressive at this low price level. Teaming up 11 stator guide vanes with a specially conceived 7-blade impeller, the NF-F12's focused flow system creates outstanding static pressure and focuses the airflow for superior performance on heatsinks and radiators. The Noctua NF-F12 PWM cooling fan has an SSO bearing that allows the fan to be more durable, precise, and stabilized. The NF-F12 PWM model is created for users who want performance and long-term use at a budget-friendly price. When it comes to the matter of RGB, Corsair always nails it. Corsair's LL series case fans are the best looking fans with dual loops of RGB illumination out there. Using an optimized 120mm fan blade and PWM control, set the speed of the fan anywhere from 600 RPM to 1500 RPM for precise noise and airflow adjustment, and the 120mm fan blade engineered for low noise operation without sacrificing performance. The Corsair LL120 RGB LED PWM fan boasts 16 independent RGB LEDs across 2 separate light loops to create vibrant lighting and visual effects. The Corsair IQ software brings your system to life with dynamic RGB lighting synchronized across all of your IQ compatible products, including fans, RGB LED light strips, keyboards, mice, and more. The Corsair LL120 RGB is made for those who are seeking excellent airflow, quiet operation, and powerful lighting in one pack. So that was all about the best case fans for you. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up, share with your friends, and comment below to let us know your thoughts. And subscribe to our channel if you want to see more videos like this on your feed.